One of our favorite times of the year has happened. The newest Moda release is here, and there's just nothing like seeing the live fabric. So let's get started. Handmade Sweetness by Heather Briggs. She continues to design the softest, prettiest, most shabby chic collections, and Heather is just, she came on the scene now, I guess a couple of years ago, and she's consistently having this just very comforting, soothing, very feminine, shabby chic looking floral collections. And look how we now have not only the fat quarter jelly roll, layer cake charm and mini charm, but we also have a fat eighth bundle. Just a reminder, the fat eighth is a 9 by 21. That's a nice size of fabric. So I sometimes that quarter bundles get overlooked because they're not with every collection, but that's a nice size of fabric. So maybe you have a smaller project and you don't need a fat quarter bundle, be sure to consider a fat eighth bundle. So Handmade Sweetness by Heather Briggs is just charming, of course. Stacy, one of our favorite Moda designers, Je t'aime. I love, this is just so sweet, obviously perfect for Valentine's with the Je t'aime is I love you in French. But look at how it's not like there's Valentines and hearts all over the place. If you just wanted to do something in this colorway that wasn't even specifically Valentine, you could. However, I love how some of the prints in here are very succinctly Valentine if you want to move in that direction. And there's some really fun kind of newspaper prints. So that is Je t'aime by Stacy. Sweetwater has the cutest collection. What is it that kids love bugs, especially boys? They just do. And these are cute bugs, right? I can handle cute bugs. This is called Bug Collector by Sweetwater. These are just the sweetest little prints. I could see kind of just quilts for kids, right? You could send them off to camp with a quilt. We all love that. Like the Quillo is a great option. Anything that these are just, it's such a happy palette, I would say. And I love that there's a lot of color options inside of Bug Collector by Sweetwater. This one is so cute with the animals, Fable and Fern. This one is by Watercolor Heart. So sweet. And so we have our fat quarter bundle, our jelly roll, we have a layer cake charm, and we have a mini charm. And I'm seeing a lot of nurseries now for the little ones or even toddlers that have the woodland animals, right? They're cute. It helps the kids learn animal names. So I'm seeing a lot of that in baby nurseries nowadays, and it also, like I said, in toddlers. So that's Fable and Fern by Watercolor Heart. This collection, I probably don't even need to tell you who that designer is. Absolutely iconic. This is from Kansas Troubles, called Honeysuckle Farm. It speaks for itself, right? It's those Kansas Troubles classic colors we can't seem to get enough of. And we have a full complement. This includes our fat quarter bundle. Look how tall this is. I believe that's 40 SKUs. You can make a massive quilt with that, add a border, and bam, you're done. A fat eighth bundle, our jelly roll, our layer cake, and our charm and our mini charm. So anything you want, jelly roll rugs. You've got everything from a large quilt with this much fabric, and of course some incredible fabrics that'd be ideal for your outer border. That collection, it has everything. Over here, Camille Roskelley. I love this colorway she did this time. We've been seeing a lot of blue out of Camille Roskelley lately. I think this is just refreshing. This is called Bloomsbury. And just look at the colors, how fresh this is. This is like this strawberry color, right? And it's just the neatest pink. I love the full range. She's got the green that's very grass colored, that kind of wonderfully cozy yellow. Sometimes people can find yellow to be a little polarizing. I think she hit this just perfectly. And look at this aqua. And again, we're seeing a fat eighth bundle, again measuring 9 by 21. That may be just perfect if you're making a small quilt, maybe a table topper, and of course our other pre-cuts as well. Over on this side, you already know what this is just by the look of it, right? Very signature French General. This is Le Jardin Rouge. And so look what we have here. I have never seen this type of print actually from French General. I've been watching them for the last 2 decades. This is a very unique print, and it comes several colorways. So I love that it's absolutely identifiable as French General, very European-esque, but they're changing it up, right? But they stay true to who they are. I appreciate that about French General so much. We have our full layer cake, charm, mini charm, jelly roll. This would be an incredible jelly roll rug. Look at the range of colors here, as well as our fat quarter bundle and our fat eighth bundle. So these are the collections that caught our eye. I've already got my own ideas of what I'm going to be doing with this, but I bet you have some ideas too. You know what? Even if you can't get a clear picture of exactly what the product is, buy it anyway. You will never regret having Moda Precuts, because someday that pattern, while you might not know it right now, it will reveal itself and you'll be so glad you have that precut. So head to the Shabby Fabrics website before you do anything else to make a deposit here on your favorite precuts. And remember, that's going toward the cost of that precut. And remember to sign up for your favorite individual SKUs so I order enough fabric for you. So thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you these beautiful collections from Moda Fabrics.